Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to use Journal app on iPad. So the Apple Journal app on iPad allows you to create, organize and secure personal entries by combining text, photos, audio recording and drawing. So that I quickly show you, you open up the app as you can saw on the screen right now. Now you can hit this plus button right here, and you will see here that you can start writing something. At the toolbar at the top you can see that you can import, uh, connect with your pencil, and you can also import images, photos, and take a photo, some location, voice, and so on. Alright, to set up, open the app and follow the prompts. So enable syncing. Uh, so I will go to here and to the settings, and then I will search for privacy and security, and we will find some journaling suggestions. So click on that and you can turn on journaling suggestions. So this will sync your iPhone with your iPad. Make sure iCloud is turned on in iPhone and iPad settings, like that. So to create entries, you just hit the plus button which I showed you. You will start typing here. Just for fun. You can also use these importing images, or you can put in mindful minutes, state of mind, so health access basically. Then all right, then we can record this thing and so on. We can also add the location, and yeah, beside of that you can use handwrite, so you can use Apple Pencil, and yeah, this is basically what you can use. Then you have also your time, these entries which you can through timeline view past entries, use the filter icons to search by typing here, and then you can also set up yourself journal name so you can create more of them and you will have everything organized. Also, yeah, you can protect your journal so that no one can access. So as you can see, save to photos, lock journal. You can type in your code and then you are ready to go to this setting. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out a little bit how you can use Journal app basically. So if you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.